When you are having incomplete spinal cord injury, suppose for example, this is one piece, this is another piece, okay? The two ends may be at a particular distance, but any one side of the spinal cord will be in contact, maybe in contact. For example, it may be like this. The spinal cord maybe a cross section may be like this, vertically. Okay. Suppose this area is completely injured. For example, this one side is completely injured, so the spinal cord may be like this. It may get damaged like this, and it may be like this. For example, this piece may be like this. Okay, this piece may be like this. For example, so it is intact in keeping this in position, right? So it is able to maintain the position. So at least in this area, it may form the gradients, right? Here also the same story, the erythrocytes, okay, that may die to form erythroclasts. Initially, yes. Erythroclasts only. That erythroclast and erythroblasts will be formed so that the protective mechanism around the spinal cord will be formed towards the bone region. So, when you take MRI or something, after some 1 month or something, the nearby area will be having cloudy appearance. Then what will happen to the nerves? What will happen? Yes, nerves, what will happen? The same scenario like the bone healing process, the same scenario, the same thing, because of the same gradient rays will be stimulated. After that, slowly it starts to regrow. The two ends of the nerves will start to regrow. How it is possible, sir? Point is like myelin degeneration. What is happening? Degeneration happens, then again the regeneration happens. The same thing is going to happen here. And it is multiple. What it is going to do, that the previous mechanism of erythrocytes destruction, that it also stimulates the oligodendrocytes. Oligodendrocytes. I'm not speaking about oligodendrites. Oligodendrocytes are the cells which are essential to produce the oligodendrocyte cells, and that is the basis of central nervous system formation. Okay, nervous system formation. It's going to stimulate that, and after that, that is going to participate in the, what's that? Oligodendrites. That is going to participate, come and cover over here. So now I have a doubt. The oligodendrites are not like the same astrocytes. Astrocytes are so long, but these oligodendrites are having multiple filaments. They are going to grow here, this way, multiple direction. Anyway, so how can I believe that? Yes, initially it will be like that only. So it will be forming everywhere. Here, all here. Forming discuss. Okay? Understand? I am speaking about one fiber. This is one fiber. This is another fiber. The oligodendrites may be forming here multiple regions of oligodendrocytes. Okay? And which is the best closest nerve fiber or oligodendrites which is found over here? Body selects that. For example, this one. For example, again this one. These two will be fused and other things will be destroyed. Can you see? These two things will be connected, other things will be destroyed, right? Initially, this is not the proper synapses. Initially, there will be cross-wiring. That's why in facial palsy or something, when we try to smile or something, it may deviate to some other place. When you do something, for example, stroke patients, when we ask the patient to go for flexion or something, they'll go for deviation or something. When we ask even spinal cord injury patient, when you try to ask the patient to go for flexion of knee joint, you try like that. If you encourage the patient will try. Actually, they will not be able to do that. Along with that, they try to lean to one side or something with the compensation. That compensated mechanism, one, or else the contraction may be felt in some other area. That is because of this crisscross mechanism. And after all these things, everything will be cut down, eradicated, diminished, destroyed. Finally, one filament which is most probably suitable for that particular growth layer. That one will be selected and body will reject all other things and this will be growing. I'm speaking about one fiber. The same thing will happen for all the fibers. In that way, the spinal cord will regrow. Okay, and that is very, very slow.